This is TWiT.
So Mark, we're here at the LG booth with, you're growing herbs.
Yes, we are.
Is this a refrigerator or a garden?
It's actually a combination of both. So we took our refrigeration technology and actually enhanced the overall experience for consumer to bring indoor gardening inside their home.
Why would you put it in a refrigerator?
Well, because now we can control the environment.
I see.
That vegetation,
humidity,
and
temperature.
Temperature,
You're not making
lighting.
it cold necessarily, but you're just making it consistent.
Correct.
And there's lighting, there's grow lighting.
Exactly. Each individual shelf will dictate and operate its own temperature settings,
Nice.
light source,
Nice.
and irrigation system.
Oh, that's great.
So everything is individualized and controllable through the ThinQ app. So once you basically set all this up, you will have to program via the application what is growing on each and every shelf. Okay, because again, the technology now, or the automation, takes over.
So this is a concept.
Correct.
Will LG make this?
Oh, absolutely.
And when?
We're looking hopefully to bring this to the US market in 2021.
I'll get one. It's a built-in though, so it's going to be one of those expensive built-in
Very
systems.
high luxury appliances.
A
That's where it's
luxury
been.
herb garden in your
Exactly.
home. Thank you, Mark. I appreciate it.
Pleasure, Leo. Thank you.